through this evening. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Massachusetts, southern New Hampshire, and Rhode Island. Massachusetts, eastern Essex, Massachusetts, eastern Norfolk, Massachusetts, eastern Plymouth, Massachusetts, northern Bristol, Massachusetts, southeast Middlesex, Massachusetts, southern Bristol, Massachusetts, southern Plymouth, Massachusetts, Suffolk, Massachusetts, western Essex, Massachusetts, western Norfolk, Massachusetts, and western Plymouth, Massachusetts. In southern New Hampshire, eastern Hillsborough, New Hampshire. In Rhode Island, Bristol, Rhode Island, eastern Kent, Rhode Island, Newport, Rhode Island, northwest Providence, Rhode Island, southeast Providence, Rhode Island, Washington, Rhode Island, and western Kent, Rhode Island. Through 11 p.m. this evening. Potential for very heavy rainfall in a short period of time. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
The current time is 4:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.